Alright, day 7 tayo sa challenge natin at andito pa rin tayo sa North. Ito yung, dito tayo sa Northman. Ito yung pangalawang araw natin at ito yung truck na ito yung truck na nandito ako ngayon sa segment na to. Ito yung crush truck. Laki nito. Ginagamit to sa aircraft firefighting. So the best yan, yung truck na yan. This is called Striker 1500. Yan. Yan yun, lupit yan. Truck na yan. Diyan tayo naka-assign. Ako yung in charge yan. Yan yung helmet ko. Yan. Lupit ng interior niya. Yan yung helmet natin. My name on it. My name is there. Akit lang ako. Konting konting pakita lang sa interior. But sa interior. Akit lang ako konti. Yan, pakita ko lang yung Yun. Nakapuro pala tayo. Yan Yan, bumper turret tsaka yung taas. Yan ang roof turret na ibaliktad ko lang. Yun ang roof turret niya sa taas May turret yan, yung turret na yun laki ng turret na yan. So this is used for aircraft firefighting. It's made by Oshkosh. So yan ang gadgets namin dyan. Yun. Yan, full tayo. Full details. Yung mga compartment niyan is compartment is yan. Compartment is yun, yun ang interior nito, may mga hose yan. Tsaka picket ups and flatted ups. We have also the Rescue 12. Ano natin yan? Yan yung Rescue 12 used for ito yung intake at discharge ng isang yan ang compartment niya. That's first compartment of the truck. Yan ang truck niya. Yun. Boom, boom. Yun. Baka bababa lang natin. Yan. Yan ang first compartment. Second compartment. So, everything is there. Yan, yan? Extinguishers A, B, and C. And this is the nitrogen cylinder. Yan ang ginagamit sa Yan ang ginagamit sa pag-discharge ng dry chem. Spark plug. Side by side yan ng structural firefighting truck. This is for structural, that's engine company. At ito naman is tender company. They used to supply water for this one. Itong engine na yan, yung ginagamit to supply. It's used for building structural firefighting, and this one is resupply. Ito yung magre-resupply dito sa engine na yan. Yun. At yun naman is kailangan ng command vehicle to manage the incident. Yan ang kailangan. At ito naman is used for ginagamit yan sa aircraft firefighting. Specific yung gamit niyan for aircraft firefighting. Crash po ang tawag dyan, used for aircraft firefighting. Kahit anong aircraft kayang i-extinguish yan. Yan ang dyan ako nakasan yan. Malupit yan, laking truck yan. So yan yung day 7 natin. Ganong kalupit yung mga content natin. Marami kayong matutunan. Kung may tanong kayo sa baba, just comment below at mas bibigyan natin ng details yan. Yun. Ngayon, i-continue ko lang yung kabilang compartment ng crush truck na to na kung saan ako naka-assign. Ang inside nito is this is the main panel. Panel yan ng panel ng this is the structural for structural firefighting, ginagamit namin yan. Pero pag may sunog ng aircraft, doon kami nag-ooperate sa loob. Pero pag structural, itong ginagamit dito kami nag-ooperate. Ito yung intake tsaka discharge. May discharge din dyan. So, pwedeng mag-refill ng tubig. Ito naman yung tawag nito is driver's compartment. Yan yung mga PPE ng tawag dyan is driver's compartment. Yan yung PPE ng driver operator. Yan. I-tour ko lang kayo i-tour ko kayo saglit sa driver side. Dito pumapasok yung driver. Ito yung pinto niya. Yun, this is the driver side. This is all full complete. Yan Akyat. Day 7 yan Meron kaming AED tick tsaka 5 gas meter used for toxic chemicals, to detect toxic chemicals. Para hindi kami mayari sa responde, ito yung inside niya. Inside compartment ng crash truck. Yan, ganun kalupit yung day 7 natin. Marami kayong matutunan. Headphones. Meron yan, meron kaming maps, mga mapa, bumper turret, tsaka yung mga accessories dyan. Hindi ko na lang i-detalye. Doon ako sa kabila. Crew chief officer, doon ako nakaupo. Ngayon, I think we're done on this one. Ganun kalupit at yun. Yan yung truck. Ito yung side niya. Ganun kaastig yung truck na yan. Ang laki niya, laki niyan. Yun yung roof turret, bumper turret. Ito yung clearance niya. Yung ground clearance, grabe yan. Yung truck na yan. Yun. At ito naman is compressor. Diyan kami nagre-refill ng air bottles pag nagamit namin yung ECBA pack. Kasi may may pag may sunog, so nagre-refill kami ng bottles yan. So dito kami nagre-refill sa loob. Ito yung compressor ng we used to refill bottles. Na-open niya. Diyan kami nagre-refill na yan. Yan. Ito papasok yung dalawang bottles for refill. This is called ECBA compressor. Yun. I think we're done here for day 7, but sa day 7 na yan, ang gagawin natin sa day 7 is at least kunting tour sa job natin. Then reflect is still calendar planning, do some yung learning natin, yung planning ng fitness tsaka yung learning. And the fourth one that is hidden in our agenda is execute. So hindi lang tayo more on fitness, more on reflection, more on learning, but the best thing is to execute, to make it done, para gawin yung bagay na yan. Welcome to day 7. Alright! Ayun, nandito ako sa driver seat. At andun yung officer. Siya yung nagmamando ng buong crew ng isang truck. So yun yun. At yan ang side na driver side. Punta naman tayo sa officer side. Yan yung harap ng isang fire truck. May dito, may hostel dito used for ginagamit yan pag may trash fire, mga maliit na fire. May nozzle din dyan. So yun. Ito yung officer's seat. Officer side, yan. Diyan yung PPE niya, diyan yung ACB battles niya. Diyan siya ito may safety harness din. Hahawakan niya pag para hindi siya madulas kasi mataas tong truck na to eh. Basta piers. Ito yung firefighter's seat. Diyan kami umaakyat. Mga bombero din. Ito yung kabilang side. Merong merong mga valve yan, intake tsaka discharge. Ito naman is nagagamit yan for sa loob ng firefighting. That's a red pack yan. Yun. Ito is generator. Yeah. Ginagamit namin to pag kailangan ng ilaw sa scene, saka mga extinguishers namin, pamapula ng apoy. Quick attack. Then, kabilang side natin is may tayo, iba-ibang equipment. Dami equipment dito. May spare seat battles for pack. Tools, iba-ibang tools, meron yan. Meron tools. Tsaka dito spare seat battles. So, ganon, always ready yung ganon kalupit yung mga bombero, always ready yan. 24 hours. 24 hours yan. 24 hours. 24 hours. At ito naman yung rear side. Yan. Yan, nagagamit natin to sa pantabas ng yan eh. Bakal, semento, pwede dito. Tong tools na to yun This rotary saw, it's called the K12. Ang brand nito is Husqvarna. Ganong kalupit German brand yan. So, pantabas yan. May mga blades dyan. Ito yung blades siya. So, all pantabas din ng yan. Tingnan nyo. Ito, used for pantabas ng yan. Bakal, semento, pwede dyan. Pwedeng tabasin yan. May hard suction, tsaka PPB fan, used for ventilation. Pag masyadong mausok yung building, ginagamit natin yan. At yung mga tools, all. Hose clamp, meron. Iba-iba. So, then, yung rear part ng engine company. Tingnan natin yung rear part. Here is may mga tayo. May hindi napapansin eh. May mga tayo, salvage cover tsaka mga maliit na ladder used for yan, malupit yan, mga salvage cover. So, yung mga hoses natin spare pang firefighting, naka-clip yan para hindi malaglag. Yan yun. Yan. Lupit niyan yung mga. At dito naman yung dito yung ladder namin. Yan. Inuhugot lang namin yan pag kailangan na yung kailangan namin ladders, kailangan yung umakyat ng building na hindi namin kayang umakyat ng ladder ng stairs. Ito ginagamit namin. Yung ladder na iba-iba yan. Meron 24 foot, 12 feet. Saka meron tayong roof ladder. Ito naman is yung pike pole. Pike pole tawag nito, pike pole. Ito naman yung driver side. Andyan yung mga execution tools na ginagamit sa pang-rescue sa mga trap victims, sa vehicle, sa buildings, lahat yan. So, extricate people, may mga hoses yan, may pads. So, yan ang driver side compartment. So, lupit niyan. Lupit niyan. Customize yan ng fire department. At lahat ng truck is yan, customize. Customize yung truck. Ito naman is yung andyan yung mga extension cords, ropes, mga tools, pig head tsaka flathead, Kendra's execution device. So used for forcible entry tools. So pag may mga pinto na hindi kayang i-open, kayang i-operate yun sa forcible entry tools. Sarado ko lang. Then ito naman is yung driver side, lahat ng couplings nandyan. Yung pangdugtong ng hose, nozzle, andyan yan, tsaka yung PPE ng driver, andyan yan. So, at least, marami kayong natutunan. I-focus ko lang yung ano. Ito yung driver side compartment. Sa driver side compartment, andyan yung hair protection, mga nozzle, coupling, tsaka may hose. So, malupit yan. At ito naman is yung pinaka-importante sa truck. Andyan yung crosslay, yung intake discharge, tsaka intake tsaka discharge, mga lights, andyan yun, no, yung operation, andyan yung foam, pag-operate ng foam, mga discharge valve, intake valve, andyan yun, yung intake na malaki, yun, tsaka yung drain valve. Lahat yan is yung capacity discharge nito ng 1,500 GPM per minute. So, ganun kalakas mag-discharge yan. At, tapos na tayo. Brief lang yan, pero kailangan ko na yan detailed. Kayang i-explain natin yan. So, that's sa engine company. At ang laman ng engine company is 4 to 6 people, depende sa design ng isang fire truck. At yan po yung mismong ginagawa ng engine company. May mga lights yan sa taas. May mga lights yan at yan yung engine. Ayan. Is naka-tour tayo. Lupit ng tour natin. Mahirap i-explain yan sa ang trabaho, hindi pumbero. So, kaya natin explain yan. Matagal na tayo sa bisyo. So, 12 years plus 7 years, around 16 years. So, 18 years. So, yan meron tayo. At very fortunate tayo na nandito tayo. So, ito naman resupply. Ang pinaka main purpose yan talaga is mag-refill ng tubig. Ganun lang kasimple yan. Tender tawag dyan, tender. Alright. Ayun. Magsalita mo kayo. This is day 7. Day 7. I-upload. I-upload ko sa day 7. Yun. Ganito kami pag after
YouTube channel of Leonard.
Yun.
Don't forget, guys.
Yun. That guy from Kosovo subscribe. He subscribed on me. Imagine that, YouTube. Kabayan. Say kabayan. Okay, day 7, man. Yun. Table tennis pa rin, naglalaro kami. 1,700 after ng trabaho. Diyan kami naglalaro. Tingnan mo naman. Ganong kalupit yung namin. Yun. Badminton. Table tennis. Yun. Good job. Woo. Ito naman yung namin. The next one is the gym. Meron kami gym dito sa loob. Yan ang gym na yun. Gym namin yan. Ganong kalupit dito. Gym. Bang! Okay, looks dark, man. Mag-ilaw tayo. Ito yung gym namin. Woo! Day 7 yan. Marami kayong matutunan dito. Day 7. Bang! Oh! Somebody turn off the lights! Ito yung mga namin. This is for leg workout. Ito, leg workout. Yung mga leg workout na yan. This is for chest. Yung middle part. Chest and that one is chest workout also. That's for chest workout tsaka legs. Doon naman is yung mga dumbbells namin. Set of dumbbells. And this is our plates. Ito naman side na to is for back workout. Ito back workout dito na side. Yan yung side na to back workout tsaka for bars tsaka lunges, lahat yan, no, shoulders. At ito naman yung malupit kong kasama rin. That's a cardio side. Yan. This is for cardio side and there's here back workout. Dami yan. Kaya lupit. Malupit. Yan, no? This is for back. This is for biceps. And this is for okay, ikot ko lang kayo, Yun, this one is for torque ko lang to. Ginagamit to is for chest workout, lunges, This side, and those side is for set of dumbbells. Back, yung lower back. Yan is leg workout. Leg, for leg equipment. Those are for chest. Then plates, chest decline. Ito naman is for incline, para sa chest. Yan. Nasa gitna yan. Dito naman sa kabilang side is for CrossFit. Dito na side is for back workout, lower back, biceps. Yan, biceps yan. Doon naman is for back. Then, sa bandang dulo is for cardio exercises. Yun. May television pad, may fridge. May fridge yan for water and cardio and back. So, na-arrange siya ng maayos. So, kami yung nag-arrange yan at yun, nanghihiram lang kami ng equipment. Hiram lang yung lahat yan. Hindi actually sa akin yan. It's from the sports fitness center na hiniram namin. Ayun, at least na-tour ko na kayo at that's our day 7. Fitness tayo at lahat ng mga equipment na yan, gagamitin natin yan. Ipapakita natin kung paano gamitin. So, yan, ganang kalupit. Ganang kalupit at tuloy-tuloy na natin, day 7. And in day 7, ang audiobook natin is Atomic Habits. So, ang tutunan ko sa Atomic Habits is 1%. 1% increase per day. So, meron tayong 37x na improvement for 1 year. So, 1% improvement day by day. So, yan po yung Atomic Habits. Ganun kaganda yung Atomic Habits na yan. At yun, mag-workout tayo at ay papakita natin yung mga equipments na yan at kung paano gamitin. So, papakita natin yan. Yung from leg exercises, back, chest, triceps, back, biceps, then yung cardio. So, alright, abangan nyo. Malupit tayo dyan. Day 7. Okay?